Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight on Amadeus. So first in your Google search bar, search for Amadeus Register, then click on the register link. Now it is important for you to create an account first. So from this register page, just fill in all the details and start creating an account. So once you already have an existing account, you can now proceed at sellingplatformconnect.amadeus.com/login. So from here, all you have to do is sign into your account. Just enter in your username, office ID, and password. Then click on the sign in button. So once logged in, click on File, then New Booking File, then choose Air for flights. And now from here, you can use the search filter to filter out and look for recommended flights according to your itinerary. So just type in details such as where you're coming from and where are you planning to go, the date and time, and of course, the type of passenger codes or PTCs. You also have here the fares and fees. And once everything is done, just click on the search button. Now, from the results, choose what fits best your itinerary, then click on Select Flight. And from here, of course, review all the booking information. Make sure that all the details are correct. And in the traveler information section, just fill out details such as last name, first name, date of birth, and contact information. And lastly, of course, click on Send Reservation Request. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!